Siddharth Ganekar, who is a trustee and treasurer of Goa GSP Sports and Charitable Trust, and Kapil Angre, who is also a trustee of this trust. Can you tell us a little about this trust?
Of course. Um, Goa GSB Sports and Charitable Trust, as the name suggests, we are a group of basically GSBs, that is Gaud Saraswat Brahmins from across Goa, who came together almost a year back. I remember, we were 10 of us who came together and we formed this trust. So the basic idea of forming the trust was to give our youngsters, that GSB youngsters, a platform in sports. For example, cricket, badminton, football, table tennis, and other sports, to give them a platform and organize a tournament. So, GSB Unity Cup was the first, our flagship project that we started. And as I said, a year back, a few of us from across Goa came together, formed the trust, and we planned how we are going to go about. So, with the sports activities, we also had some charitable activities. For example, blood donation camp. Then we also help the needy when it comes to maybe sports, or even when it comes to any orthopedic items, for example wheelchairs or any other items. We also help our young kids. We pay school fees and things like that. So we are helping a lot of kids from across Goa, not necessarily only from our community, but any Goan who are needy, they can approach us and we are there to help them.
Okay. Can you tell us a little about this tournament that has taken place?
So Goa GSB Unity Cup 2024 basically is a cricket tournament which started in the month of March, end of March, and tomorrow is going to be our finals. So we got registration for 12 teams from across Goa. Semi-finals, which is being played between Team Royals and Sink Rangers. Sink Rangers is from Panjim and Margao Royals, as they are from Margao. And now the second semi-finals is between Antru Strikers, which is from Ponda, and the other team is Rangers, which is again from Madgaon. So we totally had around 33 matches. Every weekend. Our tournament started at Panjim Gymkhana, which is in Panjim. Then we moved to SK Ground, that is in Malkarne. Then we moved to MCC, which is our home ground in Madgaon, over here, Rajendra Prasad Stadium. And the tournament has been really successful. I feel as organizers, we have tried to give our best to all the players who have participated in this tournament. And as we get the feedback from everybody, they are looking for a much bigger, they expect a lot from us, and we are also planning a much bigger tournament next year.
Here I would like to mention about the organization. I am a trustee, so I had our organizing team. We have an organizing team, and I would really like to mention Siddharth Ganekar, Pranav Biche, Venkat Biche, Kapil Borkar. They were the pillars of this organization. I am a former Ranji Trophy player, and I have been playing cricket for around 3 decades now. And I have apart from in this is I'm talking about only Goan tournaments, because apart from PJML, which started, this is Panjim Gymkhana Members League, which started with the it was a very grand. They have completed 3 years, and I had not seen, in Goa at least, I had not seen anything like PJML. The grand, the fun fair, the carnival atmosphere, and which I was really surprised. This GSB art tournament. I am a trustee, but I was really surprised. This was really at par with PJML, that is Panjim Gymkhana League. And the excitement of the players, they were really taken care of. Like how the state players are taken care, that way. All the hydration was provided. Hydration, I don't mean only water. There was a lot of other things. This time in today's cricket, water is not sufficient. We require electrical, Gatorade, all those type of energy drinks, which was provided to the players. They were really happy. And I will really compare this tournament with PJML, or maybe in the coming years it will really be maybe much better and bigger than this. and I'm really happy that we managed this first season of GSB Unity Cup, and looking forward. Coming years, and I would really like to thank sponsors. Without them, this would have not been possible.
Yeah, I think first of all, congratulations to GSP Unity Cup for organizing such a wonderful tournament, because you get an opportunity to for people like us who are weekend cricketers to play in cricket. And secondly, our journey as a team so far has been wonderful. We have won 5 out of 5 league matches, and I would say convincingly well. And we right now know our strengths as well as weaknesses as a team.
Overall, I've been extremely happy. Okay. More so, Sink Rangers, the team that I'm captaining. I'm playing with some of my mates who have played in school and college. So it's a great feeling to, repeat that entire thing here. Okay. So far, I think it's a very, very well organized tournament. Hats off to the organizing committee, Sid Ghanekar, Siddhit, Kapil Borkar, and the Biche brothers have done a fantastic job. I've not played a tournament in Goa as well organized as this one, and I'm surely playing the next one, and I'm only sure it's going to get bigger and better. As far as the team's performance is concerned, I think we did a fairly good job in the league matches.
First of all, I would like to thank the organizers to organize such a lovely event. We got to play on many grounds like Panjam Gymkhana, Malkana, and even MCC. So MCC is kind of a home ground to us. And the journey so far has been very nice. All our members are like positive enough. They're playing great cricket.
It has been one of the most fabulous tournaments we have played in. It is a tournament where it helps to get the community together. So we have been looking forward for tournaments like this, and our team has been aggressively gearing up for such tournaments. And if you look at the way we have played throughout the tournament, it's been very, it is a pleasure for us to make it to the finals, all thanks to the team effort of the entire team. The first things first, my captain Mahendra Audi, he has gone on a honeymoon and he's coming today evening. So one strong mandate from him was that he wanted us to win so that he could make it tomorrow to the final. So he'll be there tomorrow, and it will be a wedding gift for him.
Let's put your hands together. From 12 teams, they were the top 2 teams in the finals, and it really looked like a final the way it ended. Thanks to runners-up Madgaon Royals for putting up such a splendid show in the run chase. And here we have the first champions of the first Alcon GSB Unity Cup, the Rangers.